Listen, my beautiful friend, no matter how dark the situation is, you have to, even if you have to force yourself, you have to get up and come out in the sun. You cannot let darkness consume you. You cannot let situations of life, some tough situations of life, convince you to stay in dark, to stay in your bed for too long beyond the sunrise, or or to convince you to look at yourself in a very false manner. Last few months of my life, since November up until 18th of February, there was a dark cloud constantly over my head. I was behind my rent. I couldn't pay my rent. I didn't have the money to afford food. My mom had cancer and I did not have the money to even travel to see her. And I was alone by myself in a different city, okay? And I would wake up after 2 in the afternoon because I didn't wanted to face this situation. I didn't know what to do. I felt so incapable. I didn't felt like I can rely on anybody, or I didn't had any people that I felt like, okay, they are wise enough to guide me through this situation in a healthy way. It was so dark that I was I was almost on the verge of quitting everything. The person that I'm becoming, that I have become in the last few years of consistently showing up, on my journal, and I have seen myself creatively blossom, and I felt that there is something different for me out there in this world, something happier, and I was just going towards it. But in the last few months, I was just ready to quit it all and go back into my village, and I felt like, okay, I felt so defeated, like a loser, okay, in life, and the kind of mistakes I was making. I felt I was texting people for money, and I felt so embarrassed by it that I felt like, no, now I must quit. I must, there is nothing hopeful for me in this world. There are some situations in life that can make you look at yourself in such a harsh and negative way that it will lead you towards killing yourself. Really, it can get that dark. But that's why you need to build healthy habits of coming out in sun, of coming out in nature, building that connection with God. What it does is it shapes your perspective. Instead of talking too badly to yourself, being unkind to yourself, shaming yourself internally, you would start to talk to yourself in a very healthier way, and coming out in the walk in nature and the wind, the fresh air really gives you that positive perspective of a situation, and just it brings so much energy of integrity, honesty, and just like that energy of looking at yourself in a very kind, compassionate, and healthier way. Yeah, so just I want to inspire you to come out, no matter what the darkness is, what it is that you are dealing with. You will find that strength out in nature, in the fresh air, in the sun, and bigger and better and most beautiful things will work out for you if you are just having the courage to come out in the sun, in nature, in fresh air. And I know it's dark, I know it can get how dark it can get, but you will find that light, that hope, that compassion for yourself. Yeah. Even right now, as I'm making this video, I have to cover up my last 3 months of rent, and I was just like, oh my god, I don't know how I will do it. I don't know how to make that much amount of money. I don't know, all of those things. And I was journaling about it. I kept writing about it, and I was like, okay, Mother Earth, I want to feel secure. You gotta see all parts of you, when you come out in sun, and you will be able to see all the darkness that you are believing. Okay, sometimes we can make mistakes, and there are so much darkness that we can believe about ourselves, and we are like, oh my god, this is how I judge people, this is how I judge others, this is how I am out of integrity in this situation, I am not being honest, and so far I've been believing. So then vulnerability comes up, then you tell God, like, I don't know how to resolve this situation, I don't know how to like make money in an integrous way, I don't know how to resolve this situation. God, you guide me, God, you lead me, and that level of vulnerability, you realizing, okay God, this is where I'm feeling weak, this is where I'm feeling uncertain, you create that security for me, you lead me. And the connection with Mother Earth, it's so powerful. You constantly, asking for guidance, asking guidance from God, from Mother Earth, it just builds such a positive energy into your life. Like no matter what the situation is, and remember to come out in the sun. Okay, you gotta keep asking yourself, like asking God and Mother Earth, like, I want to move into this situation as you would, as you would want me to. I want to walk in this world as you want me to walk. When I was saying this, when I was going through all the darkness, I was like, okay, I can't face my landlord, I can't get out of my room and all of that. And what I was saying was, like, okay, Mother Earth, I want to move in this world as you want me to move. And that's where I got the courage from, by saying this prayer. Okay, so book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session or 12 weeks of mentorship with me. Link of that is in my bio. And also you can donate for my rent, food and bills if this video helped you, or if you want me to, if you want to support me,